Master Your Day, Design Your Life is an insightful guide that focuses on transforming your daily routines and habits to create the life you've always wanted. Sambathla shows how small, intentional actions each day can lead to profound long-term changes. Through practical advice and actionable strategies, the book empowers you to take control of your time, focus on what truly matters, and design a life filled with purpose, achievement, and fulfillment. Ready for mastering your mindset? Let's dive in. Master Your Day, Design Your Life Summary. Imagine waking up each morning with a clear sense of purpose, knowing exactly what you want to achieve and how you'll go about doing it. Your days are filled with activities that align with your goals. Your time is managed efficiently, and you're consistently making progress toward the life you've always dreamed of. Sounds ideal, right? But for many of us, this remains an elusive reality. Distractions, procrastination, and lack of focus often derail our best intentions. In Master Your Day, Design Your Life, Sambathla takes us on a journey to regain control over our days and, by extension, our lives. The central premise of the book is that by mastering our daily habits and routines, we can design a life that aligns with our deepest aspirations. Bathla provides a comprehensive framework for achieving this mastery, offering practical strategies that anyone can implement. Chapter 1: The Power of Daily Habits. The foundation of designing your life begins with understanding the immense power of daily habits. Bathla emphasizes that our lives are the sum of our habits, the small actions we repeat every day. While individual habits might seem insignificant on their own, over time they compound to produce significant results, either positive or negative. One of the key concepts Bathla introduces is the idea of keystone habits. These are the habits that have a domino effect, influencing other areas of your life. For example, regular exercise not only improves your physical health, but also boosts your mood, increases your energy levels, and enhances your productivity throughout the day. Bathla suggests that by identifying and focusing on these keystone habits, you can create a ripple effect that leads to positive changes in multiple aspects of your life. He encourages readers to start small, to choose one or two keystone habits, and commit to them consistently. Whether it's a morning meditation practice, daily exercise, or setting aside time for focused work, these small, consistent actions can set the stage for larger transformations. Analysis. The emphasis on keystone habits is a powerful concept because it simplifies the process of habit formation. Instead of trying to overhaul your entire routine at once, Bathla suggests focusing on the habits that will have the most significant impact. This approach makes habit change more manageable and increases the likelihood of long-term success. Moreover, Bathla's approach aligns with the idea that small, consistent actions are more effective than drastic changes. By starting with just one or two habits, readers can build momentum and gradually expand their efforts, leading to sustainable improvements over time. Chapter 2: Designing Your Ideal Day. Once you've identified your keystone habits, the next step is to design your ideal day around them. Bathla argues that how you spend your days is how you spend your life, so it's crucial to be intentional about how you structure your time. The first step in designing your ideal day is to create a morning routine that sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. Bathla emphasizes the importance of starting your day with activities that nourish your body, mind, and spirit. This might include exercise, meditation, journaling, or reading. By beginning your day with purpose, you set yourself up for success and ensure that you're in the right mindset to tackle whatever challenges come your way. Next, Bathla discusses the importance of time blocking. Time blocking involves dividing your day into chunks of time dedicated to specific tasks or activities. This technique helps you stay focused, avoid multitasking, and ensure that you're spending your time on the things that matter most. Bathla recommends blocking out time for your keystone habits, focused work, and other important activities, such as family time, self-care, and relaxation. In addition to time blocking, Bathla introduces the concept of theme days. Theme days involve dedicating entire days of the week to specific types of work or activities. For example, you might designate Mondays for planning and strategy, Tuesdays and Wednesdays for deep work, Thursdays for meetings, and Fridays for creative projects. This approach allows you to batch similar tasks together, reducing the mental load of switching between different types of work. Finally, Bathla emphasizes the importance of reflection and adjustment. At the end of each day, take a few minutes to review how your day went. Did you stick to your plan? What worked well and what could be improved? By regularly reflecting on your daily routine, you can make adjustments and continue to refine your ideal day. Analysis. Designing your ideal day is about more than just being productive. It's about aligning your daily actions with your long-term goals and values. Bathla's approach encourages readers to be intentional about how they spend their time, ensuring that they're focusing on the activities that will bring them closer to their desired outcomes. The idea of time blocking and theme days is particularly valuable because it provides a clear structure for your day, reducing the likelihood of distractions and procrastination. By batching similar tasks together, you can maintain focus and efficiency, ultimately getting more done in less time. The emphasis on reflection and adjustment is also important because it recognizes that no plan is perfect. By regularly reviewing your routine, you can identify areas for improvement and continue to refine your approach, ensuring that you're always moving in the right direction. Chapter 3. Overcoming Procrastination and Distraction. Even with a well-designed day, it's easy to fall into the traps of procrastination and distraction. Bathla acknowledges that these are common challenges, but he offers practical strategies for overcoming them. One of the key strategies Bathla introduces is the concept of the 2-minute rule. The idea is simple. If a task will take less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. This helps prevent small tasks from piling up and becoming overwhelming. By taking care of these quick tasks right away, you can maintain a sense of momentum and prevent procrastination. For larger tasks, Bathla recommends breaking them down into smaller, more manageable steps. This approach, often referred to as chunking, makes it easier to get started and reduces the likelihood of feeling overwhelmed. Bathla also suggests setting a timer for a specific amount of time, such as 25 or 30 minutes, and committing to working on a task for that period. This technique, known as the Pomodoro technique, can help you stay focused and make steady progress on your tasks. To combat distractions, Bathla advises creating a distraction-free environment. This might involve turning off notifications on your phone, setting boundaries with family members or colleagues, or using tools like website blockers to limit access to distracting websites. By eliminating potential distractions, you can create an environment that supports focus and productivity. Bathla also emphasizes the importance of understanding the root causes of procrastination. Often, procrastination is a result of fear of failure, fear of success, or fear of the unknown. By identifying the underlying fears that are driving your procrastination, you can address them directly and take steps to move forward. Analysis. Overcoming procrastination and distraction is essential for staying on track with your goals and making the most of your time. Bathla's strategies are practical and actionable, making it easier for readers to implement them in their daily lives. The 2-minute rule is particularly effective because it encourages immediate action, preventing small tasks from accumulating and becoming overwhelming. By taking care of these quick tasks right away, readers can maintain a sense of momentum and avoid the paralysis that often accompanies a long to-do list. The emphasis on creating a distraction-free environment is also important because it recognizes the impact of our surroundings on our behavior. By eliminating potential distractions, readers can create an environment that supports focus and productivity, ultimately helping them stay on track with their goals. Chapter 4. Cultivating a Positive Mindset. A positive mindset is a key component of designing your life, and Bathla dedicates an entire chapter to exploring how to cultivate and maintain this mindset. He argues that your thoughts and beliefs have a powerful influence on your actions and outcomes, so it's essential to be intentional about the way you think. One of the key concepts Bathla introduces is the idea of mindset shifts. A mindset shift is a change in the way you perceive and approach challenges. Instead of viewing obstacles as insurmountable barriers, a positive mindset allows you to see them as opportunities for growth and learning. By shifting your mindset, you can develop a more resilient and optimistic outlook, which in turn will help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Bathla also emphasizes the importance of self-talk, the internal dialogue that shapes your beliefs and actions. Negative self-talk, such as, "I'm not good enough" or "I can't do this," can be a significant barrier to success. To overcome this, Bathla recommends practicing positive affirmations, statements that reinforce your strengths and capabilities. By consistently repeating these affirmations, you can reprogram your mind to focus on your potential rather than your limitations. In addition to mindset shifts and positive self-talk, Bathla discusses the role of gratitude in cultivating a positive mindset. He suggests starting each day with a gratitude practice, where you take a few minutes to reflect on the things you're thankful for. This simple practice can help you focus on the positive aspects of your life and build a foundation of positivity and resilience. Finally, Bathla explores the concept of visualization, the practice of mentally rehearsing your desired outcomes. By visualizing your goals and the steps you need to take to achieve them, you can create a clear roadmap for success and strengthen your belief in your ability to achieve your dreams. Analysis: cultivating a positive mindset is essential for maintaining motivation and focus on your goals. Bathla's emphasis on mindset shifts, positive self-talk, gratitude, and visualization provides readers with a comprehensive toolkit for developing a resilient and optimistic outlook. The concept of mindset shifts is particularly valuable because it encourages readers to reframe challenges as opportunities for growth. By adopting this perspective, readers can develop a more resilient and adaptive approach to setbacks, ultimately increasing their chances of success. The emphasis on positive self-talk and affirmations is also important because it recognizes the impact of our internal dialogue on our actions and outcomes. By consciously choosing to focus on our strengths and potential, we can overcome self-doubt and build the confidence needed to pursue our goals. Chapter 5: Building Resilience and Mental Toughness. In the pursuit of designing your life, setbacks and challenges are inevitable. Bathla dedicates this chapter to building the resilience and mental toughness needed to navigate these obstacles and stay on track. One of the key strategies Bathla introduces is the concept of embracing discomfort. He argues that growth and progress often come from stepping outside of your comfort zone and facing challenges head-on. By embracing discomfort and pushing yourself to take on new challenges, you can build the resilience and mental toughness needed to overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. Bathla also emphasizes the importance of developing a growth mindset, the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort and learning. A growth mindset encourages you to view challenges as opportunities for growth rather than as threats to your self-worth. By adopting a growth mindset, you can develop the resilience needed to persevere in the face of setbacks and continue making progress toward your goals. Another key concept Bathla discusses is the importance of self-compassion. He argues that being kind to yourself during difficult times is essential for maintaining resilience and mental toughness. Instead of beating yourself up for mistakes or setbacks, Bathla recommends treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a friend. By practicing self-compassion, you can build the resilience needed to bounce back from setbacks and continue moving forward. Finally, Bathla explores the role of mindfulness in building resilience and mental toughness. He suggests incorporating mindfulness practices, such as meditation or deep breathing, into your daily routine. These practices can help you stay present, manage stress, and develop the mental clarity needed to navigate challenges with grace and resilience. Analysis: building resilience and mental toughness is essential for staying on track with your goals and navigating the inevitable challenges that arise. Bathla's emphasis on embracing discomfort, developing a growth mindset, practicing self-compassion, and incorporating mindfulness provides readers with a comprehensive approach to building resilience. The concept of embracing discomfort is particularly valuable because it encourages readers to step outside of their comfort zones and take on new challenges. By doing so, readers can develop the resilience and mental toughness needed to overcome obstacles and continue making progress toward their goals. The emphasis on self-compassion is also important because it recognizes the role of self-care in building resilience. By treating yourself with kindness and understanding during difficult times, you can build the resilience needed to bounce back from setbacks and continue moving forward. Chapter 6. Creating a Vision for Your Life. The final chapter of Master Your Day, Design Your Life, is dedicated to creating a clear vision for your life. Bathla argues that having a clear vision of what you want to achieve is essential for guiding your daily actions and decisions. The first step in creating your vision is to identify your core values, the principles that guide your decisions and actions. Bathla suggests taking the time to reflect on what truly matters to you and what you want your life to stand for. By aligning your goals and actions with your core values, you can create a life that is meaningful and fulfilling. Next, Bathla discusses the importance of setting long-term goals that align with your vision. He recommends breaking down these goals into smaller, actionable steps that you can work on each day. By focusing on these small, daily actions, you can make steady progress toward your long-term vision. Bathla also emphasizes the importance of regularly reviewing and adjusting your vision. As you grow and evolve, your goals and values may change, and that's okay. By regularly reflecting on your vision and making adjustments as needed, you can ensure that your actions continue to align with your desired outcomes. Finally, Bathla encourages readers to embrace the journey toward their vision. He argues that the process of working toward your goals is just as important as the end result. By staying present and enjoying the journey, you can create a life that is fulfilling and meaningful, regardless of the outcome. Analysis. Creating a clear vision for your life is essential for guiding your daily actions and decisions. Bathla's emphasis on identifying your core values, setting long-term goals, and regularly reviewing and adjusting your vision provides readers with a comprehensive approach to designing a life that is meaningful and fulfilling. The concept of aligning your goals and actions with your core values is particularly valuable because it ensures that you are working toward a life that is meaningful and authentic to you. By focusing on what truly matters, you can create a life that is fulfilling and aligned with your deepest aspirations. The emphasis on embracing the journey is also important because it recognizes the value of the process, rather than just the end result. By staying present and enjoying the journey, you can create a life that is fulfilling and meaningful, regardless of the outcome. Final summary. Master Your Day, Design Your Life by Some. Bathla is a comprehensive guide to transforming your daily routines and habits to create the life you've always wanted. Through a combination of practical strategies and psychological insights, Bathla provides readers with the tools they need to take control of their time, focus on what truly matters, and design a life filled with purpose, achievement, and fulfillment. One of the key takeaways from the book is that small, intentional actions each day can lead to profound long-term changes. By mastering your daily habits and routines, you can create a ripple effect that leads to positive changes in multiple aspects of your life. Throughout the book, Bathla emphasizes the importance of self-awareness, mindfulness, and resilience in designing your life. By being intentional about your actions, staying present in the moment, and embracing challenges as opportunities for growth, you can create a life that is meaningful, fulfilling, and aligned with your deepest aspirations. Whether you're trying to build better habits, overcome procrastination, or create a clear vision for your life, Master Your Day, Design Your Life provides a roadmap for success. By applying the principles and strategies outlined in the book, you can take control of your days and design a life that truly reflects who you are and what you want to achieve.